Rich.
Now, I want to say,
Nyamiadum Friday is here very, very calm.
Sure.
Now, I want to say always, no, you're right into the weekend now. Sometimes energy level no from kakra. But after Enra news know about Mohamed Kudus Bayern there a Western situation to me say
It's
a man for a discouraged
bad story.
Yeah.
Very bad story.
Yeah.
Because you didn't call World Cup and Menkawi. I don't know be able to say Adena players now Omaka World Cup no. No disrespect to some players no.
Yeah.
But you know, say you call World Cup. Now Starboy Kudus Mohamed Nkawa is a big blow.
Yeah.
It's a big blow.
Looking at the fact say if you want experience at the World Cup, he has some.
Yeah.
Obokata 2022. Now, Ushe the expectation and Ghana for war. Say we are in a very difficult situation with the crisis, your PAM coach. And the expectation again was that Mohamed Kudus will come back from injury. Your forward line now ain't even created chances no. He would have come to boost the attack for a Ghana team no. And news here Abbey. Amount for I think so many people are giving up on your chances for the World Cup. What teams already know. Coach, you've not named the coach or the Ghana team no Beko World Cup no. So when this news comes in at this point, it makes Obiana attention no cut to the fact say it is going to be a very difficult hurdle to climb and now to supersede the fact say you don't have a coach number one. Number two, your star boy Mohamed Kudusa Ebia onuna ebeba back and give the team some hope no so out. But Rich, we cannot give up entirely. I know say I've said on multiple occasions say I was see expectations na yeding eba from that one is a given. Main train sign Ghana no it was say reduce your expectations, but we cannot go there and disgrace ourselves, which means say I was so ubia who say between now and time a World Cup never start no ya hu boabo ani preparations na was see any year pa because it is not too late. It is not too late. Yet me can Nyema boom. Na the kika nyema ni sisi enia. I believe that we can put together a team that can do well at the World Cup. Nyamiadum, we have a player like Antoine Semenyo. I've repeatedly said, say, we need to try and build a team around him. Especially in the World Cup, we don't have so many options. Especially moving forward in the attacking side of the pitch for the Black Stars. No, so we need to still find a way to go and compete. And yes, Mohamed Kudus and Kahun, Yenyan coach we are throwing in the towel. No, we can still do something at this World Cup. Now, Rich, this evening, Real Madrid ball against Girona. Now, anytime big team it is a Real Madrid, our Champions League tie or return leg next week, and they have a big game over the weekend. I told you, it makes whoever is the manager of the team a bit restless, and I'll tell you why. Osha last season, Real Madrid on a Arsenal knockout phase, and Arsenal chano 3-0. Our Benabao. So the expectation was that they will be able to turn it around in the return leg. Real Madrid find themselves in a very similar position this time around. Except say the interval or the margin of deficit no, at least is just one goal. Into their hopes will be a bit high. But Rich, you are playing against Girona. Unim say when you 3 points now, it means you have given up the title already to Barcelona. Already no share table now. It looks like Barcelona is running away. So Real Madrid is trying to play catch up. Girona and Sunye Tima, you can just go and say you want to score. Yes, Obo at home at the Bernabeu. But first leg no ball 1-1. And I don't know they have to come from behind to equalize. And rotation wise, what will be the thinking of Arbeloa? Knowing very well, say, you have to win this game against Girona comfortably. And you have to try and protect certain players to play next week's return leg against Bayern Munich at the Allianz Arena.
Girona,
Rich.
I want that top position with 37 points.
But if the first leg is anything to go by, which is Omoni Girona game, boy or Girona for home, no 1-1.
Okay.
If that game is anything to go by, it means that Real Madrid will not underestimate them in any way. The only thing, and say, they have to be more comfortable. They have to be more aggressive also. This game on Mebo and then 7 p.m. to get the result. Now, what is the approach that they can adopt for this game? Meaning, so Oshe Omone Bayern Munich game here. The moment Real Madrid became more comfortable on the ball was when they brought Jude Bellingham in.
Stabilizing
ball now, he was progressing the ball forward very well, putting it into the right areas. So it was a good thing for them. Knowing say on also every injury but they don't want to rush him into the setup. But Obayano on his side be brain about game. So would he use Bellingham today? Give him more options moving forward. Not only 2-3 quick goals. Maybe a first half and now by 60th minute to close the game. No, you my film. The youngsters no Abim to close out the game. And I say he will try and protect the players, use the youngsters, and then try and win the game late on. I think he should go for the former. Jude Bellingham mumbo. Alexander Arnold mo embo. Because Alexander Arnold, when you look at his performance as well, over the last 3 games, wama 3 assists. And Omo game Omone Bayern Munich boy, you know. He was one of the standout performers for me. Obobopa. And he reminded me of the Liverpool Alexander Arnold no. And I was really impressed because also he has also come under criticism. Say Real Madrid, aside the injuries, no, he has not demonstrated enough why we should believe and trust him. Say Obits Miaye Ejumano Real Madrid. But in the game against Bayern, look at how he played. Look at that assist he gave for a goal now.
That
Madrid for
point long pass.
Yes. I would expect that Arbeloa will go into the game, especially the first half, with all his arsenals, win the game in the first half. Now, Utimisha 2 or 3 goals new year, then you can rest them and then allow the youngsters to come in and then let them try and defend and get you the win in preparation for game against Bayern, because they need that confidence, they need that kind of belief in them, and that belief will only come if they manage to beat Girona convincingly in this game. Omo train now Abia, they want to win the game late on. I'm sure Girona bet me surprise you, and they give them a blow.
I think Real Madrid against Bayern, not Madrid in your Barca.
No.
The only thing I made me feel say I'm a Madrid and the result there's a communion in the game, no. Where the number 9 presence are you can't before the game.
Okay.
Because over here, both Vinicius Junior, and Mbappe now they operate from the flanks.
Yeah.
And the Debian born the 18 box of Atletico Madrid. There's no
Bayern
presence at what 18 box to finish the game. It is over here. Judas a Bayern now. Or something so mania then.
Yeah.
I say I'm Mbappe and says okay, you go 18 box in him. Because you will be a cheer obey your money diaba. And now a resulting to that Mbappe go now. I think that now that Jude Bellingham abano. Yes, he offering now, but I think this particular game,
it's a game that he must start.
Yeah.
And Kakrebi on Real Madrid
okay,
is that I would really be happy say a player like Adagule is also rested ahead of Obebo, let him come from the bench, because there's one thing I've seen about Adagule and I'm pen asempa. He presses really well. there are times in the game you would expect him to do so many other things aside the pressing, that is moving the ball forward. But Madrid off the ball, no. I told the Bia, if you give an instruction to Ada Gule, monitor your opponent and track him down, he has that ability to do it. And I would also expect in this game, if there's no need to start him, now we will play a bit say Eduardo Camavinga. Let those start the game. And if there's a need for you to bring Ada Gule in the second half, now deny him. But if there's no need, protect him for game against Bayern, because that one will be a more difficult encounter at the Alliance. Now Alliance, no, I'm not sure that Bayern will come and sit back. But with full throttle to kill the tie. So you would need to give the players who have more potential in terms of their psyche and then their awareness and then their physicality and also more intelligence, no, they can play on and off the ball and protect those guys.
But second leg goes by rough.
Of course, I know there's no doubt because Obiabe be the game. Of course,
and two teams will be our problem with the defense.
Yes,
two teams will be our problem with the defense.
Yeah,
into what the day no. Or strikers, no, or more, better take your chance and answer moment, no better taking you.
On one game, yeah.
And Ebema goes beba second leg in power. Him or last story after say, Oshawona, Infantuaso.
Mehu, Anopaya na mehu a design be from go.com. Almost a Real Madrid AD, Michael Olise, and more prepare about 160 million euros. To go for the boy. I feel but you know who na masre. Me say Real Madrid for no money movie. No, but if you see game of money Bayern boy, you know, do you think say if Olise didn't perform the way he performed, they would have chased the guy?
No, that's all Olise doing about that.
But
Real Madrid game no kwan na odi be Olise ni bobo.
But Adena Oma bossa game ne wie. Ansa na mo prepare 160 million euros.
Ebia na ho dada.
I don't think so, Rich. What would Real Madrid for? You know how they can be very, once they like the guy and once they see the performance on the field.
And you go on brand to Nedin Kobo. So look, the radar so right, and we are sure our brand to no cop Benabao no. On also feels okay a audition time. My main coach Madrid for say, Panama some permanent you fluke.
But if you were Olise, will be free. Bayern call Madrid.
Madrid they play a better better.
No, but
Madrid. Just play behind Madrid.
But me Bayern meaning me bomb boss say I don't need to go to Real Madrid. Oh, come on.
Real Madrid yeah. You are short of so many things. I don't know when you be bomb the corner. How buy be ever boy between a Ballon d'Or or the Champions League or the League grade as a bonus. As I say, baby, I will play and who protect us over so could do no. Yeah, Madrid, ever one more could do that level. Madrid is so big to the sense team player be able to.
But me, I would want to see Olise in a reaction. Because when I look at the boy and how he has moved from Palace to Bayern and then the performance are all there, it tells me that the guy is a very focused guy. As to whether he will fall for these rumors, no. Time in the better until the best you all.
Joshua, only two, and now at for Martin and Canin 4.5. Yentos and Bismarck, Owusu Bempa, Ayala, and Friday Boko. Yenfanto from na Yenya discussions, and so Emfa, and of course, Yenamina, and Edi Jumedin in TBBA.